Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and sorry about the first video. I put the clips in the wrong order, and I just hope you enjoy today's video. And that go-kart is a 2020, not a 2021. So let's get right into our video today. Okay, I'm back, and I already got my wrench out, and this already was off of it, and here is my carburetor right here. Gotta remember there's a ripped seal right here. Very ripped. So I'm gonna set that aside. Here's the carburetor. Went ahead and got a spray can top so I could empty out the gas into here. I just set it down and let it drain. All I gotta do is take out that bolt right there and the gas will drain. Then this bottom bolt right here will let the bowl fall off. And here is the throttle right here. And right here, choke. And we're gonna go ahead and take this bolt out. Alright, I'm back. Got this out, and it is draining fuel. Not drain a lot, it's drain a little bit. I put it on the motor so I could get it off. And oh, it is a 10mm. I forgot to say that. Sorry. For both of the bolts, we just had to knock it a little bit loose. And it's draining not much fuel. And I'll be back. I'm gonna get this off. See you then. And I'm back. We almost have this nut completely out. Yep, left it loose, wrapped it tight. Oh, it fell. I got it. There it is. Then you set that on your rag. Then this falls out. Got a little bit of fuel in it. Alright, let me see. Got this. It's a float. And it's a float. Throttle, of course, right here. And let's see what happens if I... Of course, this is a float. Then there's a little jet up in there. And what the float does is when the fuel in the bowl fills up, this raises and it opens up a jet, which allows fuel into the actual, like, hollow part, like carburetor. Hold on, I gotta get this off. So you can see, it'll come in there, there's a jet in there, it'll go through. Alright. And I'll see you in a few minutes. Alright, now what I have to do is get this jet out the bottom, out here. And what I need is a small Phillips head screwdriver. Of course, this one isn't too small, but the tip is kind of small. And I'm going to be back when I have this out, and I'm going to show you it. Alright, I'm back. I just got this jetting out. It was down in there. And it's a tiny little hole. And looks like it does not have any trash in it. So I'm gonna set that aside. But fun fact about the little opening gap in the carburetor, that is called a venturi. I think that's how you say it. I don't know why it's called that, but interesting. Okay, so I just pulled this little pin out and the float came out. Interesting. That plugs the little jetting. This jetting actually goes to the fuel, which connects this little stopper, stops the fuel, which then the fuel line comes in here, goes in there, turn on the fuel, and if this bolt is full, the float will be pushed up, which will stop the fuel from going in. Pretty interesting. Alright, I got these little drill bits, and I could just test if jetting is has any trash in it. If it does, clear it out. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, I'm back. I just finished cleaning or checking if there's any trash in the jets I've checked so far. I'm gonna see if there's a jet in here. I'm not sure. Not sure where many more jets are, but we'll have to do a part 3. Just let's try and hit 5 likes. Let's try and hit 5 likes for this video. Just remember to subscribe. See you then.